Hello to all my friends out there. So some of you might be wondering, what is taking you so long to get ready for the swap meet? Well, this first one is taking me a while, and I'll tell you why. The first one is going to be all the stuff I'm going to be selling for about a quarter, maybe $1. It's going to be all the stuff I got free from the dumpster diving. I have, some of you might remember that metal chair I got in the dumpster. I will sell that, the scooter, the lamp. So, okay, so if I got it in a dumpster on these first trips, I will be selling those. And I made $1,000 last time I was going selling this kind of junk. The time I'm referring to that my sister and I went, I think we made about $60, and it was all 25-cent stuff. So I'm going through the house, and everything is going to be the 25 cents. And what I did is I would put it on big long tables. You might have seen the swap meet, but I donated that. So this time I will use little TV trays. So what this is, I will show you. This is 50, 25 cent items. And so what I do is, here's the stuff. I pack this stuff up in 100 items, and I dump them on some kind of a, I mean, you know, these would be like, this is an ankle thing, and this is a surfboard. This is 25 cent items. You might be going, you sell that stuff? Oh yeah, I sell it. 25 cents for this lovely. Anyway, it's, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. There's this cute, adorable, you know, to hook onto your zipper on your purse. So what I do, you guys have seen me wear these, but I will sell this stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm going through the whole house, and I'm getting rid of all the stuff that I have in my house, which is a lot, that I will sell for a quarter. Or if it was a dumpster diving item, I will sell that, and I will sell that cheap too. Okay, so now here is the stuff I got today. Okay, I bought this eyeliner at Dollar Tree for $1, and I used this eyebrow stencil on my eyebrow that I got for 50 cents. And it was nice because it came with, you know, some tweezers and some, like an eyebrow brush. And I got this eyeliner, and I used it, and I liked it. I got this lipstick, but I couldn't get it out, and I thought, oh, heck with it, I'll use it next time. And then I got this bronzer. So I am enjoying the fruits of my labor on the markdown bins. And I will use that stuff up, all of it. Okay, so now remember I got these baggies today. And so what I needed those badly for was, remember these? So, you know, I have these little microfiber cloths. And so what I want to do is I want to slip these inside of one of these baggies so they don't get damaged. Because, and I got these free at the swap meet. That is one of, see, now my collectibles don't get dusty. That's very important. You don't want your collectibles damaged. And I got these cheap. What were they? 2 for $1. Okay, and so I'll be selling as well dumpster diving items. 25 cents. It's got a chip. Take it or leave it. I got this pressed powder lying on the ground, 25 cents. And I got this hummingbird wind chime. I will sell it. It's got a missing chime, 25 cents. So I'm creating big bags, 100 items. And if I am going to get up, drag down there, I want to get everything out of my house. And then let me show you. Okay, some of you may remember the kids' books. I actually read all these books. I really did. and I will sell them for 25 cents each. I have no interest in owning these. I bought them for a dime. I'll sell them for a quarter. They buy them, that's okay. They don't. I have learned Spanish, $1. And then I have natural baby food, 25 cents. And then, you know, these kind of books, 25 cents. So, okay, I have a box full of books. I'll just put them in my car, and I will sell those for a quarter. Okay, so then I got this beanie. Remember this? This was in the 50-cent box. I sell these kind of things for a quarter, 25 cents. I got this free. I will sell it for a quarter. I got this free. I could sell it for a quarter, but I love it. I'm keeping it. I got it for free though. I got this silly putty today, and this is a little cross pin, 25 cents. So I'm creating $100 boxes. I mean 100 item boxes. I got this little thing. I'll sell it for a quarter. And then I got this calligraphy set. I will sell it for a quarter. The reason it's worth a quarter is somewhere in there is instructions on how to do it. So, you know, these are examples of quarter 25-cent items. And I worked in the shops, and I tried to describe to them how I would make $100 at the swap meet. And you go, well, that'd be a heck of a lot of 25-cent items. Well, it was. Okay, so now, I got this free. I will try to sell it before I donate it for $2.50. I got these free, $2.50. So I do have clothes that I will be blowing out. Okay, I bought this, but the back has a stain. I will try to sell it for $1. And then I have another pair of jeans that I got free, and I will sell those for $1. So the reason it's taking me so long is because I'm going through my entire house, and I'm getting everything boxed up and bagged up, ready to go, 25 cents each, or if I got it free, like from a dumpster or something, you know, or by the side of the dumpster. These first trips, until I sell all that stuff, I don't want to sell any of my good stuff until I sell all my 25-cent stuff, and I have tons of it. So when I go to the swap meet, I will show you. You go, oh yeah, I remember that red dress. Oh yeah. So that's what I'm doing, you guys. Oh, and I have some of my jewelry on. Now, these are pretty good costume jewelry. I won't be selling these yet. These, if you can find these black bracelets, you can all, and then I have some costume rings, and also something that I search for is all kinds of amber. Even, they don't have to be real bracelets. So if you guys, one of the ways to hoard cash is to start selling your junk. Believe it or not, this stuff sells good at a yard sale too. So, okay, you guys, I will be back pretty soon with my kicked up a notch potato sandwich. And thank you very much, Sunny, always, for telling me about that, because my mouth is watering just thinking about it, and I'm starting to get very hungry. It's late here. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.